Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to choose or download the output reference styles. So why we need to choose a style? This is very important. I will show you why. If you have gone through the reference of any article, you can see every journal or every publisher have their different styles. For example, this is one of the articles from Journal of Membrane Sciences. So here you can see the R reference. Their initial is only first letter and then dot, then full name, and there is a title of the article, and then there is a issue number or volume number, and then year, and then starting page and ending page. So this is one of the style for the Journal of Membrane Sciences. But if you are going to submit the same paper to another publisher, for example, this is for the Nature. So here you can see the year is at the end, and this is bold, and this is not full name of the journal. Like in case of Journal of Membrane Sciences, there are like full names. Sorry, here are also some dotted names. Abbreviations are used, but not fully. So here the year was before page numbers. So here is year after page number and different format. So let's look at another article which is from MDPI materials. So this is also different. Here you can see the full surname is first and then the initials of your given name. So again you can see it have used the journal name like this, and it have used the year before volume, and it's not within brackets, and only use the first page number. The second page number is not used. So different journals have their different output style, and they want you to use their style. How we can use this in the EndNote library, I will show you. So we have already some library here. We have already imported some reference. Before we cite, and we need to check their style. So here is option. So I have choose the numbered. So this is very common. It doesn't belong to any journal. So when it's numbered, it looks like this. This is attached PDF. I haven't attached any PDF, and this is reference, and here is preview. It will look like this. Let's choose another one. It's also looking same, only I have changed the reference. So let's choose the different style. For example, I have accounts chemical research. So now you can see its style is changed. Let's choose another one. Carbon. Here you can see again style is changed. This is because different journal have different output styles. So this is what we can do in the EndNote. But when we are going to cite this reference into the Word file, we also need to adjust the EndNote style in the Word format, Word file. So this is the home page. Here you will see option of EndNote X7, and here you will see the styles. So this is numbered style. So make sure the style like accounts chemical research, I have chosen this one, and this side you also need to choose the same one. So I have already this style available, so I can directly insert my citations because both are, it's changed. Okay, same. So once you make sure both are same, and you need this style, and this is for this journal's account chemical research. And if you need the style for other journal, let's find. So click from here, select another style. So here you can write your journal name, and you can see multiple journals. Most of them have their style here, but a lot of journals don't have their styles in the EndNote. So for that you need to download. Let's see, Journal of Membrane Science. Here you can see membrane science. No. So for this Journal of Membrane Science, I don't have style. So I need this style. How I can find? I can simply go to the Google and choose the website, which is endnote.com/downloads/styles. So it will look like this, output styles. And here I can write the journal name. Journal of Membrane Sciences. You can write the approximate name. It will show no. Okay, let's copy the exact name. And insert again. And click enter. Yeah, you can see there is one journal, Journal of Membrane Science. And then you can simply click download. And then you need to open this. So we have already downloaded the Journal of Membrane Sciences output reference style. So just click open, and it will open automatically in the EndNote. And once it's open, you have to do one thing, which is click on the file and save as. Okay, save as, and you can write the same name, or I normally use the copy. When I use the copy, it means I have already downloaded and saved the output style for this journal. I use the copy, so save. So now let's close this folder, and now we need to find the again style. Now insert the same journal name, memorize, enter, but it's not showing. Okay, let's find. Yeah, so here, because it's only J, abbreviation is used, so you can insert like membrane, and here you can see Journal of Membrane Science. I can choose this style, and no, the style is different. It looks like this side, and this is Journal of Membrane Science. And now when I want to insert the citation into the word, I also need to change here. You will be able to find here Journal of Membrane Science. Here you can see it's automatically appeared here. So this is the way how we can choose or download the output style in the EndNote. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and in next video I will teach you how to insert the citation into the Word file, and then we can play how we can change their styles without deleting them. Thank you very much.